Samriddhi and you guys are watching Uncanny Sam. So today's video is gonna be all about the Woodbridge and campus in Balderkit, which I received yesterday. Hashtag Color I'm a part of it. Now to show you what's inside the box. Let's see. तो मैंने हमारे पास ये टोपा which is color me happy. Next thing we have is a water bottle. We have a diary. We have pack of 6 fabric colors. A card of congratulations, I forgot it. We have few batches over here. Let me happy. We have an anti-yellow shampoo. A brush for fabric color. We have like 5 lightning kits. Let me tell you what this lightning kit actually contains. This contains a developer, a blonder powder, gloves, brush, and a measuring spoon. Okay. And last but not the least, we have 5 colors right here, which are blue, violet, aquamarine, lavender, and the last one, pink, my favorite. These all the things are for the campaign, and these are for the activities which are going to be held in the campaign. So let's see, and I will be posting a video about it also, so stay tuned. And yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it.